Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a handbag. And you see for the one that we got right here from this brand. And if you guys never heard of this brand before, you definitely should check them out. The way how they design the bag or the material that they use on here is actually really cool because it is super eco-friendly. They use vegan leather, recycled material, and microfiber material for most of their products. But this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when it's first opened up, this is what the inside looks like. So inside they give you guys this very nice little bag to kind of give you guys that luxury feeling when you guys do open it. And when you guys do feel the material that's on the bag, it actually feels really soft, which is pretty cool as well. So if you guys want to use this bag to store stuff, maybe when you guys are traveling or something, you definitely can. But once you guys do open up, if you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So for the one that we got right here, it's called a Gabbi handbag, or they also call it a Hobo Handbag, which is pretty cool. And you see the design of the bag definitely looks pretty nice. And when you guys do feel it, it actually feels really nice as well. You definitely get like that very soft kind of texture on here. And when you guys do hold it, it actually feels pretty nice as well, both for the top part and throughout the bag. I do like the way how they designed the top part right here. It kind of reminds me of like a scrunchy kind of design. But the top part right here is definitely very flexible, if you can see. Kind of like a gooseneck design. And if you guys can see in the front part right here, they do have the brand name. And obviously since it is a handbag, you definitely want to hold it in your hand like this, or you can put it onto your wrist like this. And if you can see for the color that we do have right here, it's like a beige or ivory color. They do have that available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. And obviously since it is a handbag, it's not for me. I actually got this as a gift for someone else. They actually told me about how they wanted one of these bags because the material that they use on here is very eco-friendly, and I fully support that. But right here is basically what the product looks like in the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and here is the other side. And then right here is the bottom. So when you guys do open up, that is basically what the inside looks like. So if you guys check out the stuff inside, the inside definitely very spacious for you guys to put a lot of stuff, maybe like your power bank, your phone, and etc. And you see the inside right here, they also have a small little pocket. So that way if you guys want to put a credit card or something, you do have the option available. But when you guys do feel the material that's inside, it actually feels really nice as well. It definitely has like the microfiber material on here inside. And I love the way how they designed the top part right here. There's no button or anything. It's just a magnetic design that close up together when you guys do close it. So that is basically what the product looks like. Let's put some stuff inside to show you guys what can fit inside. So right here I do have a power bank. If you guys put it inside, once you guys put it inside, that is basically what the inside looks like. So if you guys put like a huge power bank like what I have right here, it will fit inside, but there's not a lot of space left after that. Like if I do put my phone inside as well, it will fit, but you guys can't really close the lid on top. So you definitely have the option to carry like small little power banks, your phone, your wallet, credit card, your money or whatever. Basically small little stuff that you guys don't need to carry a lot of stuff. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this Gabbi handbag, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality handbag that basically give you guys a similar design. They also use eco-friendly material in terms of like vegan leather and also recycled material as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.